Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Accord oil life. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate through the vehicle's information display. You'll want to find the screen that shows your current oil life percentage or maintenance information. This initial step sets you up for the reset process. Once you've found the oil life display, press and hold the Enter or Select button, usually found on your steering wheel, for about 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage start to blink, confirming you're in reset mode. Release the button briefly, then press and hold it one more time until the oil life display changes to 100%. This action completes the reset. After performing the reset, double-check your vehicle's display to ensure the oil life now reads 100%. This confirms the process was successful. If for any reason the oil life does not reset, simply repeat the steps from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing of your button presses. Remember, your owner's manual can provide specific details for your particular Honda Accord model. Maintaining your Honda Accord's oil life is vital for its performance and longevity. Always follow your manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or every 6 months. Regularly checking your oil level, perhaps once a month, can also prevent potential engine issues. And speaking of staying on top of things, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.